Mm. Gretna Boulevard, where that school at, huh? Where she at went to. They taking a booth out of the garage. Not taking a boot, but all right. Have a good night. All right. See you later. All right. So that was the garage. Yeah. So what they gonna do? They gonna put automated boots, so it ain't gonna be no people. But they said they're gonna have them other places. They're not gonna take like try nobody. They just gonna put them in other areas. That him snoring? He in the bed with you? I thought you said you had put him in my bed. He asked me today when I got him home. When I got him home from school, he asked me. He said, I forgot what he said, how he said it, but he said something like to the resemblance of that he don't have school tomorrow. I said, no school tomorrow. He said, yay. He what? Move, and I was like, what the hell? A beast. Beast dog. Man, but you have a little zoo back there after a while, I guess. They probably have them chained up. Remember that man dog killed his gardener. Remember that? The two bastards. House nice and my backyard nice. sitting in the bank. Better than no bit. They don't want you to save money, right? Okay. About to cross Manhattan, about to cross Lafayette Street. Yeah, it's too. The lottery is 321,000. I mean million. 321 million. I can't hear you. What? I'll call you in a bit. Bye.
Music you love and want to hear all.
He tried again, and I remember him coming back in the room, and the same thing happened. I started my anaphylaxis symptoms within 2 minutes.
So it became increasingly clear that Johanna isn't just allergic to scents that I could bring in. She's inherently allergic to something that my body must make all the time, and we don't know what that is.
That's when we knew that I was now reacting strongly to my husband. Before this, I had reacted to many other people, but it was horrific when it became Scott.
It became apparent that Johanna was allergic to her husband. So much so that Scott's kiss could kill her.
It was very, traumatic because he's my husband.
In 2015, Johanna was diagnosed with a severe case of mast cell activation syndrome, a disorder of the immune system, which for her is life-threatening. It means she now lives isolated in her room, a specially built attic, away from everyone, including her husband, Scott, who lives in the basement.
That is our reality. We know that I want to keep Johanna safe, and so me going to see her compromises her safety. And so, one of the ways I can take care of her now is by not going to see her. I'm not going to endanger her life to go see her.
Food's delivered to Johanna in a way that doesn't aggravate her condition.
She can only eat 2 meals.
One is a grass-fed beef chuck roast that is cooked with just water and organic celery and organic carrot. And I have that with organic parsley.